Welcome to the Own Your Family, where real stories and proven formulas are shared about leaving the rat race so you can achieve freedom and spend more quality time with your family.
Who is Satoshi Nakamoto? Nobody has been able to pin down exactly who Satoshi Nakamoto is. During a podcast, one of James Altucher's guests, who shall not be named, made him cut off the cameras and the sound equipment and make sure nobody else was listening. He said Satoshi Nakamoto is Nick Szabo. Others have said they have irrefutable proof that Szabo is Nakamoto because of little hints in Szabo's blog on Enumerated. We can't say either way. Nakamoto has chosen to remain anonymous. He let his creation go, and it has taken on a life of its own, exactly as it was designed to do.
Thanks for listening. Join our online family by signing up for your free account at www.ownyourfamily.com and begin your journey to freedom. Want to get there faster? Book a strategy call with us at ownyourfamily.com/book a call. As always, be sure to leave a rating and subscribe to our podcast and channel so you never miss a future episode.